there is so much strength and power in community, in solidarity. So it's amazing to come here and hear about all this amazing work that's happening everywhere. And to work together, I think the idea for this like green future. And so I'm excited to collaborate to figure out how we can create that future, create conversations around that future together.
So one thing that I'm looking forward to is actually meeting people who I've interacted with online for like more than 3 years. I think that we all are based in different cities and we've just seen them on like Google Meet screens. So like meeting them in person I think is quite amazing.
मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं लीडरशिप में या फिर इस काम में कभी जुड़ूंगा, लेकिन मैंने खुद अपनी कम्युनिटीज़ में ये कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी देखी हैं कि मुझे लगा नहीं, मुझे खुद आगे आना चाहिए और दूसरों को दूसरे से एक्सेप्टेशन के ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि खुद आके वो करना चाहिए जो हम लोग करना चाहते हैं। वही है कि दूसरों से और दूसरों के काम से इंस्पिरेशन लेके पॉजिटिव वाइब्स के साथ जाना है।
I'm not a fan of socializing, okay, so I rejected the idea first. Disha really motivated me to join. Ki this is a place for you to be self-independent. In a lot of ways, like I feel really empowered that I can do this. I can travel alone. There is that freedom that comes along. So I don't dance or sing. So I think I opened up like 25% singing and dancing. Like Anmol and Vijay were like, you need to dance, like it's okay, no one will judge you, and like that's progress for me. The really fun part was you're free to do what you want to do. Like even if you're dancing, you don't have to do some specific step, you can do your own thing.
We often tend to forget that there are different groups, different people behind the screens that we work and interact with. And it's important for us to build community and sustain that community that is working towards the same cause. For me personally, it's about building that community, connecting with the person beyond just work.
And we have someone else in our shop.
Yeah.
Hi friend.
Kandu.
That's Kandu, everyone. That's Kandu makes a cameo.
I think what essentially we are here to do is to understand like peer-to-peer impact of these social justice movements we've had so far, and maybe take our key learnings from each other, what worked for one person, what didn't work for another person, what were our collective failures. And so everyone's come from like different parts of the country and everyone's worked on very different projects. I feel very overwhelmed maybe to an extent, but it's awesome at the same time. I feel like, okay, wow, like there's some sort of meaning, like it adds meaning that okay, if these people are thinking the same things as me, then I know I'm not alone.
The activities where we shared problems, where we were able to be vulnerable with each other. I mean, I won't say I was there, like I was entirely vulnerable. I like the fact that at least people were able to be vulnerable. At least that space was given to us. Maybe I'm not choosing to be vulnerable today, but I know that space is going to be there. I can come back to this space whenever I would want to. That's the beautiful thing, I feel.
What we're doing here is basically taking our aspirations of a world that we want to see, but we're just trying to, figure out a way together, in a group of passionate, motivated people who truly believe that it's possible to do things differently, and like any community going through its own journey. So I think this convening is part of that journey that the bunch of people want to, have that aspiration for that world.